Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to autofill alpha characters in Excel with formula. You can also create a formula to autofill alphabet into cells. Please do as follows. In a blank cell, which you want to place the alphabet, enter the following formula. Start with the char function. It returns the character specified by the code number from the character set of your computer. Press tab. For the number, use the row formula. It returns the row number of a reference. Press tab. For the reference, type A65. Close the bracket for the row function and close the bracket for the char function and press enter. Select the formula cell and then drag the file handle over the range in vertical range only that you want to insert the letters and alphabet lists which from A to Z has been filled into these cells, as you can see. And please note that as the filled alphabets or formula, as you can see, you need to copy and paste them as value to any other range. Control C. And paste as values. As you can see, now they are changed into alpha characters. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.